Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add live wallpapers on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Now first of all, make sure that you have installed TikTok on your smartphone. Now to do that, just go to the Play Store. Now from here, search TikTok. Now as you can see, I have already installed TikTok on my smartphone. If you have not installed TikTok on your smartphone yet, just tap on install, and once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, tap on your profile icon at the lower right corner of the display. Now from here, tap on the three lines at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Now from here, tap on find wallpapers. Now from here, if you scroll down, you can find many wallpapers. Just choose the one you like. For an example, we will choose this one. Now from here, tap on the share button. Now from here, scroll to the left side and tap on set as wallpaper. Now from here, it is asking us to download a plugin to install this wallpaper. Now from here, tap on install. Now from here, download TikTok live wallpaper. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, tap on open TikTok to set wallpaper. Now from here, as you can see, this is the wallpaper we just downloaded. Just tap on it. Now from here, tap on set as wallpaper. Now tap on set as wallpaper. Now from here, you can choose to set it either as a home screen wallpaper or as a home screen and lock screen wallpaper. We will tap on home screen wallpaper. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now, as you can see, this is how you can add live wallpaper on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.